Hi everyone, my name is Joyce Mbaye Kiao, founder and CEO of ZD, an online learning platform for Africa. So currently we have over 80 courses on our platform and over 8,000 people using our platform. So in the course of doing what we do at ZD, we've learned a lot about how to design, create, develop, and publish online courses. And I get this question a lot from HR managers, from trainers, training managers, instructors on our platform. Everybody asks, how do I convert my training into an online course? Because a lot of us have been training for a long time, but with the new trend towards digital, towards online, it's not always so clear, right? Or so easy, and I'm sure a lot of you can relate to this, to convert existing content, existing training, whether it's PowerPoint or whatever you've done, into an online course. So I quickly want to share a short process or a quick process in summary. And of course, once I'm done, there'll be an ebook with more details that you can download that we've also created for you. So 3 key steps when you're converting your training into an online course, which is to design the course, to develop the course, and then publish the course, right? So step 1 is to design the course. Why am I talking about design? Yeah, you might be telling yourself, but I already designed my training, it exists. Well, the first thing you need to realize is there's a huge difference between classroom training format, even if you have your PowerPoints done, and when you come into putting this into a format for online, where people need to learn the content online. For example, a half-day workshop, even a 1-hour training, does not exactly convert directly into an online course, because the style in which you deliver a classroom training is very different when you come into doing the same content for an online course. So you need to design, you need to come up with an outline that makes sense for an online course, right? So you almost start afresh, come up with sections, come up with lessons, and you'll find that if you have content even for a half-day training, you could easily create 5, 6 online courses from that content when you start thinking about how to design it for an online course. The other thing I'll mention is that online courses need to be short. There's a concept called micro-learning, which I may not get into now, but people consume the content in a very different way. So less is more, right? When you're taking your content and converting it into an online course, you need to design it differently. You need to shorten it. So basically, there's a lot that goes into this particular step. So like I said, more details available in the ebook. Let me move on to step 2. So once you've designed, you have an outline. You know that this is an example, or you've come up with something as a layout in terms of how the online course will look. The next step is to develop the course. Most online courses are in video format, like with ZD, our platform. Our courses are in video format. How do you create these videos? Of course, there's production. What I'm doing now, have a camera in front of you, speak and talk through your content, if that's okay. Also, you might have a PowerPoint. You might be thinking to yourself, you know what? I can do this myself with my laptop. Yes, you can. You can convert your PowerPoint into videos. You can use what we call screencasting software that actually allows you to talk and record your screen and speak through your content. It's also very effective. It just depends on who your audience is and how you want the content to be. And of course, that's affordable. So whatever format you decide to use, developing the course is all about taking your content and actually recording it into videos. Something I want to mention is that videos in an online course should be short. You're looking at maximum 5 minutes for each lesson and for each video. That's something we've also had to learn in terms of learner engagement. Sound quality is very key, especially when you choose to use your laptop. You want to make sure that the sound quality is well taken care of. Things like that affect how the online course and the learner when they're trying to follow the course. Creativity, style. What's the style? How is your voice, tone? There's so many things in terms of how you choose to deliver the online course, which could be very different from class, right? From the classroom style when you're speaking in front of an audience. So be cognizant of all this and work on your videos and see. But production tends to be good because if you do what I'm doing, it's very natural, right? So the only thing I'll caution is that if you choose to do screencasting, make sure you have the skills, make sure you have the practice, and you're able to do it without compromising the quality of the course. Again, there's a lot I can share on this. Maybe eventually I'll break this more into more detailed videos, but the final step is publishing. So you've got your videos, right? All the video lessons are there, all your downloadable documents are there. Publishing your course is just about putting this content into a platform. Now, there are a lot of learning management systems that exist. Some of you have LMSs already in your company, so all you need to do is just put up the course. There's issues about format. Are you using Moodle? Are you using, so this is a huge topic. I can't get into it now, but what I would tell you is that even when you develop your course, publishing is all about making sure that you have the right format to be able to put up your course and for the learner to be able to enjoy the course. We're very proud at ZD because we built our own platform. ZD is custom built by us, and so on ZD it's very easy to publish the course because we already have all that set up, in terms of how the videos are put up. We made sure we considered the user experience. So like I said, publishing depends on the platform that you're using. So I can't get into a lot of detail about this unless I understand more about the particular platform you're using. But the only thing is for you to be thoughtful about that and to remember that even when you develop your videos, you need to remember you need to consider where you're going to publish the course so that you ensure that the format is correct. That's a quick summary. Again, click the button below. If you'd like to send your email, share your details with me, I'll send you an ebook or a nice PowerPoint that I've created, sharing a lot more on this content. Of course, I love what I do at ZD, and we've become very knowledgeable about this kind of thing. So if you're also looking to do some course development or to even have a meeting with me or my team to talk more about this, then we're happy to do that as well. So all the best.